I have a question for all of you. Do you know how old the New York City subway system is? Take a guess. The subway system opened on October 27th, 1904, with 28 stations in Manhattan. That's a long time ago. There are now 472 stations, most of which were built by 1940. I have another question for you. What payment method has been accepted to use the subway? The subway began accepting only tokens instead of coins in 1953. Tokens were permitted until spring of 2003, when they were officially deemed obsolete in their 50th year and replaced by the MetroCard. Fun fact: did you know MetroCard swipes are tracked? They are said to have been successfully used as an acceptable alibi in criminal investigations. After a decades-long run, MetroCard's time is coming to an end, and subway riders will be switching to a new contactless payment method called Omni, which, by the way, began rolling out in 2019. Currently, about a quarter of all subway and bus riders have migrated to the new system. And by 2024, everyone will have to switch over as the MetroCard is completely phased out. At that point, your MetroCard will become a relic, just like the token before it.